Welcome. Let's take a look at your second paper assignment. I'd like to spend a few minutes reviewing it with you. You see that our topic is media and society, and that's pretty broad. It gives you a lot to choose from, which can be a good thing, or it can make things challenging, so be certain that you have a very narrow topic before you begin. And you need to especially ensure that you are choosing something controversial. Let's look at these words carefully. A persuasive paper means that you are going to take a stand on a topic. There will be some considerations related to the fact that your audience is neutral. So very important words there. I'm asking you in your paper to address assumptions, at least one major assumption. And there's a good chance that you will need to use a source in order to do that. As always, use the word count as a guideline. You shouldn't go under, but you could go over. Please check out the grading criteria before you write, as you are writing, and as you revise. You'll want to be sure you are meeting all of these. As stated below, they all come from the readings and videos. If you don't know what one of them means, come to office hours or use the Ask Anna forum. How are you going to come up with your topic? I imagine some of you will already have one in mind. For others, you might want to think about the readings we did and the topics that you find based on those. Or you can do some preliminary research and see what topics you find that are interesting. You can start by identifying some support like you did on your last paper. Or you can begin with a preliminary proposition and see if you can find the support that you need for it. Importantly, you will need support to establish your assumptions. The videos Finding Sources for Paper 2 and Drafting Paper 2 should help you more with this as well. Please remember what we expect at the university level in terms of serious revising. Also remember the submission instructions and be sure to follow them closely as part of what's expected of you in this learning environment and as a way to demonstrate your ability in workplace readiness. And finally, of course, please get help if you need it. And I would add to that, the sooner the better. I know you'll remember to incorporate all you've learned in the course so far into this paper. And if you put in the appropriate effort, you should see some real growth in your critical thinking and your writing at this point.